Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I can't. It's my favorite time. Every season I say this, every time it gets more exciting. It's FabFitFun time, guys. This is our fall 2023 FabFitFun box. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice, which is so freaking true. There's nothing better than fall time and that pumpkin spice smell coming out. It's beautiful. So I do have this beautiful box. I'm going to walk you guys through everything that's in here. I'm going to tell you the total value, price for everything, my add-ons, all of it. So let's get into this. First off, can we talk about how beautiful this box is? This box is beautiful. I love the simplicity, and they've just gotten really simple with their boxes, which I appreciate because it does more on the inside. So when you do open this bad boy up, let's see what it looks like. It looks like this. Thank you for shopping. Have a nice day. My God, I love them. And I love that it says this. It says this every time. It says, come on in. And then you open it up and it says, hello, beautiful. But, oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, let's get into this. Let's get walking through all of this amazingness that is in here. So up at the top, we always have some fun little goodies. So we do have HelloFresh. We got the scratch off, which I love. It just gives us a nice little added benefit. And then we also, they send us Ricolas. So they'll send us some, like, depending on the season, they'll send us little try stuff, miniature things. So it's just a nice little pack of Ricolas. There's 6 in here. So great for fall when everybody's getting sickied. But yeah, so toss all of that out of here. All right, let's get into this. So total price for this box for me is $247. We're gonna walk through all of this and we're going to kick it off with Living Proof. So we got Living Proof. This is the Triple Bond Complex and it's a hair strengthener. This right here is getting beat up during the summertime. I mean, we are getting destroyed right now with all the humidity and everything. So this, I'm really excited to try this and I love the color. Can we just talk about that real quick? You guys know if you see me in these videos, I am a massive fan of packaging and branding and how things are presented. So I am very excited. I'm a massive fan of Living Proof. Triple Bond Complex is scientifically proven to make hair 8 times stronger and more resistant to future damage while adding softness, smoothness, shine, and manageability after one use. It's a weekly one-step treatment that can be easily inserted into your post-shower routine, no rinsing needed. Guys, music to my ears. Nice bottle, very nice, simple to use, nice pump here. Very, very excited to give this a try. Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. $45. So excited to try this out. Next thing in here, what's so fun about each of these boxes, I feel like every season I go through a season of what I really want to see in each of my boxes based on my customizations. So this one was a little bit heavier of just jewelry, I think. But I got this, as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to get it. I've been an Alex and Ani fan for years. I had the bangles back when I was in high school and college and all of that. But this is Alex and Ani, and this is an emerald flex cuff, and it's a very, very simple, very beautiful, you can't see it, but I'll get a close-up for you guys, just beautiful cuff, very, very simple to put on. This is $45, and it's just so light. I mean, it's so easy to put on. It fits perfectly on my wrist, and it's an added piece of jewelry for me, which I absolutely love. And I loved that it was emerald. I don't have anything in this shade, and so this is so beautiful, and I'm so excited to wear this, especially since it's emerald, and like, I live for the gem tones and fall time. I live for them. So I'm so excited that I have a little Kickstarter piece to get me into the fall season. All right, next on the hot train is another jewelry item. Love AJ. You guys, I got the gold version of these. a couple boxes back, and I'm obsessed with them. I wear them all the time. And so when I saw these, I got the silver version, and I'm so excited to add these to my collection. And these are $65, but I have become obsessed because they are the perfect, just simple jewelry item to put on every single day. And you don't have to sweat it. So $65 for these. I'm so excited that these came in my box, but just another little added collection item. And I have, like I said, obsessed with Love AJ. And these earrings are just perfect for the everyday outfit, whatever you're doing, work outfit, no matter what, perfect. Now this item is one that my sister is extremely happy that I've got. She uses this all the time. This is First Aid. I'm a fan of First Aid because I love their brand. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Removes surface oils, makeup dirt, and impurities. Safe for sensitive skin. I have gotten this before. I absolutely love this product. My sister loves this product as an esthetician. And you dampen the face and dispense a small portion of cleanser onto your fingertips. Delicately massage in all zones of the face. Remove with a soft washcloth or a splash of water. Recommended for daily use in the morning and at night. You guys, this thing at First Aid, I can't say enough about them and their brand, and so I highly suggest. And this is $24, but this is fantastic. Get you some of this stuff. This is amazing, and I love that this is a bigger bottle. Like, this is a full-size bottle of this, which is fantastic that this came in a subscription box. Chugging along now. Oh, this is a little bit of jewelry, a little bit of home, but this is the Atika mini, I hope I said that right, mini ring box, and it truly is mini. Guys, look how small. I'm so excited opening this bad boy up. I love that it's gold because I have a lot of gold accents in my room, but this beautiful, beautiful box, it's so pretty. Just a nice little lid. It's got the mirror on the bottom. I love this. I have so many rings. My collection is ever growing, but I just love that I have this little box to prevent cats from getting into jewelry, that I can just plop everything right in here, seal the lid, and it's perfect. $30 for this item. Last item in here, and you guys have grown to actually love this. I love to do a mystery choice in each of my boxes, just because I love to not have to worry about picking one item. I just want to be able to see what they're going to give me for one of these. And so you guys know I love to travel. And I'm an overpacker, but I'm an organized overpacker. So what the mystery item in here was these packing pods, but look at the pattern and the color. 3 pieces, and this item is $38. I'm so excited about this. I have packing cubes already, but I absolutely love packing cubes, and I change it up based on how I'm feeling for the trip and what the trip is all about. So I have black, I have different colors. These are gonna be my fun trip colors. Like, oh, I love these. So you get a small, medium, large, which is perfect. But I absolutely love, love, love getting these packing cubes. Oh, I'm so excited. Can I go on a trip now? Can I leave? Can I go somewhere? Because I would love to pack in these right now and get on the road. One thing I did do in my add-ons is I did get another piece of jewelry, and it was the Myra cross ring, $16. It's a beautiful ring, and I have absolutely, it actually got here before the big box because they ship your add-on items separately, but I have absolutely loved it, and I have been wearing it everywhere. Everywhere. It's like, it's a nice little ring. And I love it. And so that was $16. And I love add-ons because you can just go in, and whether it's a charity item, pets, food, for the kitchen, like whatever it may be, there's stuff for every single part of your life. And it's just, I love the add-ons time of year. So that is our fall FabFitFun box. Super sweet, easy, ready to go for the fall, kicking us off in the right way. And I absolutely love it. Everything will be linked down below. Get yourself a FabFitFun box. It's perfect timing. You can test it out for yourself. And then when it comes holiday season, you can gift these to people, which is absolutely phenomenal. I love doing that. But get yourself a FabFitFun box. I love these. I've been doing them for almost 5 years now. And it's my favorite time of the season. I say that every video, but it truly is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.